a view like this. A lot of people, they're not able to, they're stuck in a 9-to-5 job, in a warehouse or in an office all day long, but to be able to see stuff like this, it just makes me happy, it really does. It's so beautiful, so amazing. Last night where I slept, I had my cot with me and it wasn't cold, I would have just slept outside on the cot under the stars. Once I got out of the truck, you can literally see the stars. How beautiful they are. Literally, they're just amazing. It's so clear. In the city, you really don't get to see the stars. When you go out in the country like this, you can see them clear, and it's just so beautiful, just so amazing. And yes, I give God glory. I give God glory every day. I give Him for everything. And speaking of God, we do need to thank Him. We need to thank Him for the little things. Not only whenever we get blessed with something big, say a house or a car, we need to bless Him just like someone just gives us a free drink or a free meal or we need to thank Him for the job that we have. Not everybody has a job that they want. And, you need to be thankful that you do have a job. You're not homeless. You're not, living on the streets with nothing. You got a roof over your head. I lived in my car. I lived in my car from August of last year until 2 months ago, and I finally got me a place. I don't reveal where it is or anything else, but God bless me. I am so grateful for it. Granted, yeah, my car broke down, but you know what? Hey, it was a blessing that my car broke down. If my car didn't break down, then I wouldn't be able to, I wouldn't have went back doing what I'm doing. See, everything happens for a reason. Sometimes we might not know what that reason is. John 13:7, you might not know what I'm doing now, but soon you will know why I do what I do. There's a reason for everything. Everything happens for a reason. Just like it's a season for everything. There's a season for everything. Yeah, I waited August until last year until 3 months ago, but it wasn't. It's all in God's timing. So never, no matter what, never give up. Never give up hope. Never give up that oh well, nothing's gonna happen. I haven't seen nothing happen. Well, just keep praising Him every day. Just keep thanking Him every day for that situation, whatever it is. Whether it's a new car, a new home, or job, or finances turn around, or whatever it may be. Maybe your kids are rebellious, and just keep thanking God every day for that situation. Watch what God does in your life. And why are you thanking God every day? Why don't you make a point of going and helping someone else out? While you're focusing on somebody else and helping somebody else, God's behind the scenes and working on your situation. You might not realize that He is, because you're not focused on yourself, you're not focused on your situation, you're focused on God and you focus on helping someone else out and just now I'm not saying go put yourself in debt and all that other, but you know, just help someone out. Help it, help. That's what we're about anyways. We're here to help other people. I mean, look at this. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Look at these houses out here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I mean, you just, this is God's country right here. God's country. I mean, I wouldn't mind living in something like this if I wouldn't want to live close to people. I more want to go around woods, mountains. I mean, don't get me wrong, mountains are beautiful, but you get some woods. I'm happier than a tick on the dog. And you got a campground out here. RV park. So if you ever want to come down to Camp Bird in Arizona, then that's what you got. Campground and an RV park. It really is amazing though. You know, how God just, whenever you're, not only God's beauty, but when you're focused on helping other people, and you don't even think about your situation anymore. Next thing you know, that yeah, people. The car was just going to try to pass that truck up. But yeah, when you focus on someone else, now you're focusing on yours, and then next thing you know that God's blessing you, and you're out of that situation because you're not even thinking about it no more.